Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part, you will be asked to read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text out loud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Good morning, everyone. The City Health Center will host a community blood drive this Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the Civic Hall. Donors must be at least 18 years old and bring a valid photo ID. First-time donors are especially welcome and will receive guidance from our medical staff. Light refreshments will be provided after donations. Your participation can help save lives and support local hospitals in urgent need.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Attention students! This is a reminder that registration for after-school clubs will close this Friday at 5 p.m. Students may sign up for activities such as drama, photography, robotics, and debate. Registration forms are available in the student office and on the school website. Please submit your completed form on time to secure your place in the club of your choice.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to describe the pictures on the screen in as much detail as possible. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to talk about the pictures. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, two women are talking at a reception desk in what appears to be an office lobby. The woman behind the desk is smiling and pointing at a computer screen, while the visitor is standing in front of the counter and holding some cards or documents. On the desk, there are office supplies, a keyboard, and a nameplate. In the background, several people are walking through the office and large windows let in a lot of natural light.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, some people are riding bicycles along a path in a large park. In the foreground, two cyclists are riding side by side under tall trees, and another person is biking but farther back on the same path. On the left side, a few people are sitting on the grass and relaxing. There is also a puddle on the path, which suggests it may have rained earlier. In the background, tall buildings can be seen in the distance.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that you are talking to your supervisor about managing your time. Now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
How do you usually organize your daily schedule?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I usually organize my daily schedule by making a list of tasks in the morning or even the night before. Then I prioritize the most important ones and try to finish them first.
Do you prefer planning your day in advance or deciding as you go? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I prefer planning my day in advance because it helps me stay focused and avoid wasting time. It also makes me feel more prepared and definitely less stressed.
In your opinion, what is the best way to manage time effectively?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In my opinion, the best way to manage time effectively is to set clear priorities and follow a realistic schedule. People should focus on the most important tasks first instead of trying to do everything at once. It is also helpful to break large tasks into smaller steps and avoid distractions, such as checking your phone too often. When people plan carefully and use their time wisely, they can be more productive and less stressed.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to refer to information on the screen in order to answer 3 questions. The information will be shown for 45 seconds before you hear the questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9, and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Begin preparing now.
Good morning, I'm flying into the city and need to rent a car. Can I get a car by the airport, and what are your working hours like?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Thank you for calling. Yes, you can pick up a car at the airport terminal. Our rental hours are daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
I'm planning to rent a car for a family of 6. Could you explain which vehicle might be the best choice?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
The best choice would be the SUV because it seats up to 7 people. It also has extra luggage space and is suitable for family trips.
Thanks, I got one more question. What insurance options do you offer, and how much does each one cost?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
We offer 3 insurance options. Basic insurance is included, and it covers damage over $1,000, but it does not include tires or windows. Standard insurance costs $15 per day. It does include tires and windows, and the customer pays $500 of responsibility. Full coverage insurance costs $28 per day, includes roadside assistance, and has no additional charges.
Directions. In this part, we'll be asked to give your thoughts on a certain topic. It is to your advantage to speak as much as possible in the time provided. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Some people prefer taking one long vacation each year, while others prefer taking several short vacations. Which do you think is better? Give reasons and examples to support your opinion. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I think taking several short vacations is better than taking one long vacation each year. Since I am married and I have 2 kids, short trips are usually more practical for my family. It is easier to plan them around work, school, and family responsibilities. Another reason is that several short vacations give us more memorable experiences throughout the year. For example, sometimes we go to the beach to relax, enjoy the ocean, and spend quality time together. Other times, we prefer going to the mountains, where we can enjoy fresh air, beautiful scenery, and a peaceful atmosphere. In my opinion, these smaller trips help us rest more often and create special family memories in different places. This is why I believe several short vacations are the best choice. You've officially finished all 11 questions. Great job! Which part did you find the most challenging today? Let me know in the comment section below. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more updated 2026 TOEIC content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay awesome!